morning to all. Today we are going to start the chapter trigonometrical identities. Its main formulas are already explained in the video. If you saw my all videos, then you can understand their formulas. Mean just as sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosecant theta, cos theta is equal to 1 upon secant theta. Such formulas are already explained. Tan is equal to 1 over cot theta. These are already explained. Or sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. These all formulas are already explained in the previous videos, if you saw my all videos. So there is the first chapter, exercise 21a is there. First question is there, secant a minus 1 over secant a plus 1 is equal to 1 minus cos a over 1 plus cos a. First question. So, first of all, to the left hand side, secant a minus 1 over secant a plus 1. Secant, as you know, that 1 over cos a minus 1 over 1 over cos a plus 1. Then 1 minus cos a over cos a over 1 plus cos a over cos a. Cos a will cut. 1 minus cos a over 1 plus cos a. Mean left hand side is equal to right hand side. Question number 3 is there. 1 over tan a plus cot a is equal to sin a plus cos, sin a into cos a, sorry. So here same left hand side you can select 1 over tan a plus cot a. As you know that 1 over tan a is over sin a over cos a plus cos a over sin a. Took the LCM. It becomes sin square a plus cos square a over sin a cos a. Sin a cos a will go the upper. And sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Here left only sin a and cos a. Mean left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now next question number 5 is there. Sin 4a minus cos 4a is equal to 2 sin square a minus 1. Again here choose left hand side. Sin 4a is become sin square a whole square minus cos square a whole square. It become formula a square minus b square. It is equal to a minus b into a plus b, and this is equal to 1. Only left is sin square a cos square a. Sin square a minus cos square is 1 minus sin square a. Then sin square a minus 1 plus sin square a. It become 2 sin square a minus 1. Mean left hand side is equal to right hand side. Question number 20 is there. Secant a minus tan a over secant a plus tan a is equal to 1 minus 2 secant a tan a plus 2 tan square a. Again choose here left hand side. Secant a minus tan a over secant a plus tan a. Rationalize it. secant A minus tan A over secant A plus tan A. It become A minus B whole square and it become A square minus B square. So secant square A plus tan square A minus 2 secant A and tan A over secant square A minus tan square A. As you know, the secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1, and here secant square A open in form of tan 1 plus tan square A plus tan square A minus 2 secant A tan A, and it become 1 minus 2 secant A tan A plus 2 tan square A, mean left hand side is equal to right hand side. Question number 33 is here. Tan square A minus tan square B is equal to sin square A minus sin square B over cos square A cos square B. Then choose the left hand side. Tan square A minus tan square B. Then open the tan square. Always try to change the questions in simplest form. The simplest form of the T ratio is R sin and cos. So try to convert them in sin and cos. Sin square A over cos square A minus sin square B over cos square B. Now took the LCM. Cos square A cos square B. Then it become sin square A cos square B minus cos square A sin square B. Then it become took the common, broke it cos and cos, both cos in form of sin, because we need the sin form. So sin square A 1 minus sin square B minus 1 minus sin square A and sin square B over sin square A, sorry, cos square A cos square B. Now sin square A minus sin square A sin square B minus 1 minus sin square B and minus minus plus sin square A sin square B over cos square A cos square B. Sin square A be cancelled. Here left only sin square A minus sin square B over cos square A cos square B, mean left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now question number 39 is there. 1 plus sin A over 1 minus sin A under root is equal to secant A plus tan A. Choose the left hand side. 1 plus sin A over 1 minus sin A. Rationalize it. 1 plus sin A over 1 minus sin A. It become 1 plus sin A whole square over 1 minus sin square A and root. And root cancelled. 1 plus sin A over cos square A and root is cancelled. Then here left only 1 over cos A plus sin A over cos A. 1 over cos secant A plus tan A, mean left hand side is equal to right hand side. Question number 46 is there. Cot A plus cosecant A minus 1 over cot A minus cosecant A plus 1 is equal to 1 plus cos A over sin A. Same way you select here left hand side first, cot A plus cosecant A minus, put the value of the 1 in form of the cot and cosecant. It become cosecant square A minus cot square A over cot A minus cosecant A. On the same way here put value cosecant square A minus cot square A. It become A square minus B square it also. So you can took the common cot A cosecant A from the whole one. Cot A plus cosecant A common from whole one. Here left 1 minus cosecant A plus cot A over same way here you can took no need to broke it, left it here in the same way 1 minus cosecant A plus cot A, left it in same way 1 minus cosecant A plus cot A. This will cancel and open the cot in sin cos form. It become cos A over sin A and cosecant is 1 over sin A. It become sin A 1 plus cos A and left hand side is equal to right hand side. So solve the other all questions of this exercise. If there is any problem, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number 9814033319. Thank you.